In this video, we will look how to import the separate animations or tweens or timelines from separate files and keep your code a little bit better organized. To make the animations a little bit more scalable and the code a little bit better organized, we will create a new folder. We'll call it animations. And inside of it, we will create an index.js that will just consolidate all the imports. And then we will have two files. One will be used for the animation enter and one will be used for the animation leave. So we're splitting it up into smaller pieces of code that is easier to manage and scale up as well. So we have animation enter, animation leave, and index inside of the animations folder. Now we need to copy paste the right code inside of each of these files. So import GSAP inside both of them as well. And then at the bottom of each files of the animations, we will export default and the animation name. Okay, so animation enter here. And then we will do the same thing in the other file, importing GSAP, copy paste the second method or function, animation enter. Oops, I think I stuffed up the names. So the file animation enter should export animation enter. Alrighty, so let's fix that up quickly. Let's get the animation leave into the animation leave file, exported that, and inside of the animation enter, let's bring in the animation enter function. Okay, so I stuffed up the naming and the exports, but now it's all good. We've got animation enter, animation leave, exporting the right functions. And we'll remove it from the app.js and we will import it here. We will use the import to bring in animation enter, animation leave functions from the animations folder. Okay, so that will be easier to manage, easier to scale up. /animations, and for this to work, we will, inside of the index file, we will export it to make sure that we have access to the export defaults from the both files. This index file is called the barrel file. Lets you keep the imports a little bit shorter. You don't need to go .animation/ and animation enter. You can just target the animation leave and animation enter directly from the animations folder. Alrighty, so that's animation enter. Do the same thing for animation leave and /animation leave. Alrighty, so now we should see exactly the same transitions. Let's set the duration of the enter to 3.7 and we should see the initial page load animation taking much longer. And also when we're navigating between pages, the fade out is the same speed, but the fade in takes much longer. Okay, so that's how we've created this index file, this barrel file, to help us keep the animations a little bit more organized. And then we're importing them inside of the app.js like this. Here we have the new folder animations with separate files for each of the tweens or timelines and the index file.